Included with your purchase, you will find 1 expandable filter, 4 metal support arms, and 1 sheet of printed instructions. On a clean, flat surface, open your filter's packaging and remove all items. Inspect the filter assembly to make sure that the triangular cutouts on each corner have been popped out and the guide stops are pressed in. This will ensure proper support bar installation in the following steps. Gently expand the filter and line the ends of a support bar into each triangular hole. It is best to line up both ends before inserting completely. The guide stops indicate how far the support bars should be inserted. There should be a little space before the curve of the support bar, as shown. Do not push the support bars past the guide stops. When the first side is complete, gently flip the filter over and repeat for the last 2 support bars. When installing your completely assembled filter, always check for an airflow arrow printed on the filter. This arrow indicates how the filter should be installed relative to airflow through your HVAC system. Magnet dual flow filters can be installed either direction in the filter cabinet. Magnet expandable filters are supported by their included support arms. If your cabinet has a track system, the filter would simply rest on top of the tracks as seen here. With the filter fully installed, return the cabinet door to close the system. Congratulations on a job well done.